Hello! We're out and about. Andito tayo sa shops. Punta tayo sa home shops to get some nursery decors and some supplies. So, samahan nyo kami ngayon. Hindi ko na na-vlog kanina. Let's go! Or pink. That one. Ito na lang.
You pick. I get your rose.
Where is the rose? This one?
Cut it.
Look guys, mamimili kami ng mga decorative frames.
Huh?
Decoration. For the bedroom and nursery. Oh, she like that. Don't be fooled by the dog. Titingin kami ng magandang decorations for baby and summer's room. Wala akong makitang maganda. How about that elephant?
Suck it.
I didn't say I don't like it. It's cute. If you have like a bar,
Yeah. So cute.
it would be cool.
A bag.
Yeah. Ooh. Hi guys! 1:30 PM na. So, kumakain ako. Oh my God! Sobrang bilis ko nang mapagod. Kasi I'm 37 weeks tomorrow. So, sobrang bilis ko na ngayong mapagod. So, tapos sobrang bilis ko din magutom. Nag-breakfast lang kami, pero 1:30 pa lang gutom na ako. And then, nag-breakfast kami mga 11. So, diba, ang bilis kung mapagod mo. Ang bilis ko din what do you call this? Ang bilis ko din magutom. Kasi, ang laki na ni baby. As you can see, ayan. Laki na niya. Tapos, mabilis na rin kaming magutom pareho. So, ngayon, nag-snacks ako. Pumili ko rice cake. So, nakapark lang kami ngayon kasi si Andy bumili lang ng supplies namin dyan sa B&M. Mabilis lang daw siya, sabi niya. Kasi sabi niya, pag sasama ka, 1 oras na naman tayo dyan. Siyempre, he knows. Madami pa akong pasikot-sikot, tingin-tingin, gano'n. So, pag siya kasi, alam na niya yung bibilhin niya. Then, diretso na siya agad sa counter. So, sabi niya, dito ka na lang sa car. Kasi gutom na nga ako, nanginginig na ako, sa totoo lang, hindi ko sinasabi sa kanya. So, after here, punta na kami kumain. And then, tingin-tingin na naman. So, guys, na-excite ako kasi maternity leave ko na. Meaning, hindi na ako papasok. Naka-leave na ako. So, gagawin ko na sa bahay. Mag-organize na ng mga bagay-bagay. Decorate our nursery. Yan lang. So, nagtingin kami ng mga frames kanina. Wala talagang maganda for baby's nursery. Our food, cheesecake, and study, lunch. Oh my god, she holds them like a stuffed toy. Got it.
Bet all of them weighed less than they do.
Yeah, definitely. Dito na tayo sa nursery ni baby. Diba? Sobrang dami pang gagawin. We're getting there. Lalabas ko na yung mga pinamili namin. Ito yung box na binili. Ito na yung nursing pillow. So, yay! Sakto. Ayokong sirain to kasi baka kailangan kong ibalik. Yun. So, tingnan natin kung maganda. Pero mukha namang maganda, no? It goes with the theme. Sa ating nursery. Ayan. So, para iwas sa mga mga kalat. Ayan. Oh, there's more space. There. Ah, that's a pillow. Just put it there.
Give me that one.
Oh. The big one. Do you like it? It's the color. Let's remove you. We still have more space. Look, oh. Diba? Sage green. It's not beige, actually. It's beige.
Beige. That's why it's like, what do you think? I didn't get why you got the green.
Because this is a beige green.
I've never heard of beige green.
Beige. Sage. Not beige. Why are you not washing it? There. And I like the floral because it's dainty. Yeah, not too big. diba? So, that's that. So, ito yung mga bedsheet. Tapos, swaddle. Silk is dito siguro yung diapers. Pwede yung diapers. Mga newborn diapers. Ilan to? 24 pieces. So we have 3 of this. We have 60 pieces. The diaper for newborn. Freebie tayo. Bag. Yun. Oh, that's cute. Travel pack. Diaper. Cute. Dito yung mga... Right, let's go and get it. Cotton wools. Wood. Yeah. I don't know what to put on the other one. But for sure, meron tayong mahahanap na ilalagay dyan. Ito, lalagyan ko pa ng diapers. Pero saka na. Mabilis lang naman siyang i-replenish yung diaper caddy. Ito, may mga ano pa pala ako dito. Lagayan. Yan. So, we're getting there. So, ito ko sa inyo. Ito yung changing mat. Ay, changing table. So, dito, baby, all the stuff are here. Supplies, wet wipes, diaper, bottles. Maybe I'll put a lampshade there later, or maybe on that corner. This is foldable bed. Pwede siyang hilain pag ganun. Pag gusto ko ring matulog, meron akong bed. I have bed dito sa nursery. And then here, this is baby's car seat. Oh, this is the car seat. This is the base. And then ito yung pram, stroller. Ito accessories, tsaka yung bag. And this is the main pushchair. So yung parang stroller. Pero we call it here sa UK travel system. Ito, I'll sell it. I never use it. The mannequin. Tapos ito yung ano ni baby. Wardrobe. Ayan. Ito yung shoe rack niya. Tax mo shoe rack si baby. Oh my god, if she has a shoe rack, babe, guess what? She'll be addicted to shoes. Like mommy and daddy. These are her clothes. I still have to iron all of them. New clothes. Mga gift yan. I didn't buy them. Mostly these are socks, hat, blankets, towel. We need extra towel. She has baby sock. 2. There's 2. That should be fine. Here, toys. We got this for milk. Bubot. Then this is free. So I freed one shelf. Ito. Ano ba ito? Portable changing mat. So isa sa bag. One for the traveling bag and one for the caddy. This is nice to have. Yan. Welcome to the world. Then ito, first year photos. Baby. Cute. Then bottles. Other socks was gifted to her. Medyo pagod na ako. Tapos ito sa labas ng nursery ni baby. Dalawa yung bintana. So, dyan. Dito, siguro photo na lang dito ni baby. Yung newborn photo niya. Then, ito, yung isang window. Tapos, foldable bed. Malapit na. Konting kembot na lang. Ito pala, hindi ko pala nabanggit. So, dito sa wall na to. Yan. Ito, ibebenta ko. Ito, pag naayos na, papakita ko sa inyo. Then, yung crib. Yan. Yung crib ni baby. So, dito na tayo sa bedroom. Ito na. Sunday, 10:49 na ng gabi. So, nagre-ready na tayo to sleep. Matutulog na tayo kasi hindi tayo masyadong nakapagpahinga ngayong araw. Medyo napagod ang buntis. So, update lang. Ano bang update ko? Antok na ako. So, ito si Lady. Nandito siya sa bed namin. Yan. Nanonood lang ako ng mga vlogs. And then, tulog na si Lady. Pero mamaya, si Andy, ibababa niya si Lady kasi dun si Lady sa baba na natutulog ngayon. Pantulog na rin tayo. Ready to sleep. Naka-dimmer na tayo. Then, we will play music. Relaxing music. And then, matutulog na tayo. Anyway, guys, I will close this vlog now. Thank you sa pagsama sa amin ngayong araw. Mag-sleep na tayo, guys. Good night. See you again tomorrow. Bye!